In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Bing Maps and Booking.com. By the end, you'll confidently add a payment card to your Booking.com account, so future reservations are faster and smoother, all while keeping your information secure. First, open your browser and head to Bing. In the search bar, type Booking.com and press Enter. Click the official Booking.com result. A quick safety tip. Always look for the padlock icon in your browser's address bar to confirm you're on the secure, legitimate site before entering any account or payment details. Once you're on the Booking.com homepage, look toward the top of the page for the profile icon. Click it to open your account menu. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to log in. Make sure you're on a private, trusted network when accessing your account. From the Profile menu, choose My Account. This takes you to your account dashboard, where you manage your personal details, preferences, and saved information. Next, find and select Payment Methods. This is where your saved cards are stored and where you'll add a new one. If you have multiple sections in your account, look for a Payments or Wallet Style tab. Payment methods will be clearly labeled. Click Add Card to begin. A form will appear asking for your card details. Enter the card number exactly as it appears, the name on the card, the expiration date, and the security code on the back. If the form asks for a billing address or postal code, enter it exactly as your bank has it on file. Matching this information reduces the chance of verification issues. Before saving, take a moment to double-check every field for typos. Even a single incorrect digit can cause the card to be declined later. If you're on a shared or public computer, avoid saving card details there. When ready, select Save or Add to confirm. You should see a confirmation that the card has been added. If there's an option to set it as your default payment method, choose that to speed up future checkouts. You can also remove outdated cards from the same page to keep your wallet tidy and up to date. A few quick security reminders. Enable any available two-factor authentication on your account, keep your browser updated, and never share your card details over unsecured channels. If the Add Card button is unresponsive, refresh the page or try another browser. That's it. You've successfully navigated from Bing to Booking.com, opened your profile, gone to My Account, accessed payment methods, added a card, and filled in the details correctly. Thanks for watching, and happy secure booking.